If you want to go ahead and, let's say for example, align out items, then there are various tools that you can go ahead and use. And today we're going to see how we can work around with center on space and rotation option. So for that, I'm going to go around and bring in a shape, for example, and bring it right around over here. And then let me just go ahead and then keep out a particular color as well. So now let's say I want this particular object to be on the center. So to do that, I'm going to go around over here onto arrange, and then I can go to center on space or scene, as you can see right here, and you can go for horizontally right here, just like this. So horizontally it's centered out. You can simply go around and arrange it out vertically as well. And now once this is done, you can see that it is exactly on the center now. Apart from that, you also have rotation option, as you can see. Let's say for example, let me just delete this and bring in another object right here, like the smiley face right here. So if I want to go ahead and rotate it, then I can go around onto arrange, then go to rotate, and you can see that I can rotate it down counterclockwise right here, rotate it clockwise as well, just like this, or flip it horizontally if you want, or flip it vertically as well. So since this object is symmetric, I didn't actually see the flip option right here, horizontally right here. So let me just go ahead right here and then go for flip horizontally right here, and you can see that the object flips just like that. And that is how you can center on space and rotate objects inside of Google Vids. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.